You okay?
Uh-huh.
Hi friends, we're going to the Clark through walking street right now.
Ba't nandiyan yung parang yung kanina?
Two thirty right now. Hi friends, now we in the Clark Hills. This is office. We want to ask about price. How much price an apartment here? It's very popular place in the Clark. So many foreigners also live here. This is Clark Hills. Georgi also want to know price. Maybe he want to buy or rent here apartment. Oh, this is better. Good afternoon. It's not problem if I take video for my friends. About apartment. We want to know about price. My friend want to rent.
Want to rent, sir?
Yes, please explain to him what available now.
For rent, sir, we have available for one bed, studio.
In condominium?
Yes.
And the apartments where?
It's different, sir. In that office, sir, they operate here. They are the one who manage here, sir. And then ours, sir, is the Sharp Clark Hills condominium, sir.
This building.
This,
is
yes,
big
sir,
building.
this one, the 5 hours, sir.
So this is 105. This is building. You can see in the No, you know, this is road, main
Yes.
road.
Then we are here right now, sir. This is the south gate. So when you enter there, sir,
Thank you.
in this tower, sir, only one bed and a studio with balcony. Yes. And this one, sir, is our menu.
Gym, good.
This one is coffee shop, sir, but it's closed. Everybody.
Temporary glasses.
Because mountain.
Yes.
Three elevators.
And this one, sir, is our amenities.
Also have restaurant
Yes, sir.
and breakfast. Oh, for kids also.
This is the second floor. The door is opening.
205.
No,
I
it's
can
new.
say yes.
New. Oh, yes, have balcony also. Washing machine outside and here.
Aircon.
Good aircon. It's very close from the main road. This is main road already near. But this side is not to the road. It's very silent here. Washing machine, you see, good. Aircon. Big aircon. It's intercom. It's for. And what about bathroom?
We also have in 20 floors, sir, if you wanted it.
Yes, that internet already.
And we will install, sir, once you are moving.
Depend and also speed of internet he can choose or already you know.
Already, we have built in, sir.
200 Mbps.
How much need pay additional for internet?
100, 1,400, sir.
No, it's good. So it's studio. It's not studio. Studio.
Yes.
Studio. It's 42 square meters, 28,000 pesos. have another one, yes?
How many floors?
It's 21, sir.
21.
But we will check the 20 floor.
Okay.
Twentieth floor. Going up, the door is closing. Opening.
062.
It's more interesting view.
How to open?
This is, yes, you can open it. Oh, very good view here.
The same side, yes.
Yes, it's the same side, but you can see Arayat also. No, I think it's better here. It's more better. And fresh air. You can see all. Same price, but I think it's more better in this room.
Yes.
So do you like?
And more fresh air.
Yeah, more fresh air. And silent, not noisy. You can every day exercise in the Clark here. You can exercise, can jogging also. I recommend it here, live here. Also washing machine. And working place, you can put a laptop and work here.
In previous studio it was not TV. Yes. Well,
What's your
TV it was or not? In
TV?
yes.
He asking about another room available TV or don't have.
I-
All the same, yes.
Yes, same.
Same.
Yes,
TV.
I
You
don't
can-
remember.
Uh,
It was yes.
I don't know.
And table. But only this, yes.
Yeah.
Not,
Yes.
you don't have.
If he want, for example, buy something,
No.
another bed more, it's not problem, yes.
Yes, yes. But he can pull out the beds. But he can add another furniture.
So if you
Yes.
want, no problem. No, I think for you it's okay. If you find already girlfriend or maybe better for you here. He alone. That's why he he need to Filipino girl. Because he know I already 10 years I live here, and he know my family, and he want to same.
Yes, eh.
No, it's filter only. It's filter.
No, it's
Extra, yes.
Yes, like this. Boiler also inside.
So only the price.
4 million, sir.
Yes.
4 million for this,
Oh.
yes, and for this.
one, sir, is 7 to 9.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes, sir.
4 million.
So 4 millions
Not,
studio time,
yes,
Yes.
sir, and not fixed.
not fixed.
Become higher or lower. It
Mhm.
depends today.
Mhm, mhm.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
So he will think first. Also, he can use gym for this money. Yes, it's free.
Yes, sir.
Free.
It's
Yes.
included in association fee.
Yes. And what about parking? For example, if he have car or motor.
What, sir? Car?
Parking.
Parking.
Best
One
park.
unit per car. One car per unit.
Free one car. Yes.
Yes, sir. But if you have second car, then additional 2K.
No, it's okay. Yes. Our motor also same.
Yes.
If he have motor, not problem parking.
Yes, sir.
Okay. On another side. This is all 01, 02, 03, 04.
1 year is,
Too longer.
yes, for me.
But sometimes, sir,
I was ready for 6 months, but 1 year I don't know yet. If I going to stay too much. Yeah.
If ever you're interested, sir,
Huh?
this one, sir, at the back. You can contact me here.
Mhm.
The first number, sir.
Okay.
We will show you the other amenities. Like swimming pool, the infinity pool, and the cafeteria.
Thank you. Thank you.
This way, sir.
It's for garbage. Yeah. All clean. Don't have smell. Very good. This for parking for motor. Good afternoon.
Yeah, no, not. Only these 5 towers. And then sauna in the other side.
This is sauna.
Yes.
And here.
Do you want to look inside?
Inside, sir?
Bigger. Mm-hmm. Oh, good. Shower, sauna. Here. It's another lobby. Good afternoon.
And this one, sir, is our cafeteria, but it's closed now.
Mhm.
Every Monday.
Clark Hills. Close on Monday. It's okay. Oh, good. This is the exit. Thank you. Swimming pool outside also.
This is our infinity pool, sir.
Mhm.
And that one is our tea house.
Tea house.
That is located there. We want to see the tea house, sir.
No, it's okay. Georgi, do you want to see tea house or it's enough for you?
No.
It's enough, yes? So, swimming pool from 9 to 8 working.
We also have mini golf, sir, if you're
Mini golf, yes? Yes, for kids.
And then the convenience store and conference room. and other
Conference.
side.
Oh, also have. Okay. Good afternoon. Conference room. This is conference room. No, for your business, it's okay. You're good.
My business.
Yeah, oh, very nice, very nice. Already prepared for Christmas.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, bye. Good afternoon.
And the studio is the same, yes? It's
Studio without
studio is the same, no?
Here, without balcony studio, yes?
without
Yes.
balconies. It's located here in
Yes.
101 building, sir.
The same, the
This
same.
one, sir, then that one, sir, 26 points.
Without balcony.
And it's 27.
Thank you. Yeah, already good. Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Picture.
Thank you.